All right, it's time to figure out how to do a Survivor 100. Show you what we got. Dark Storm, 6 Phalanx. We've got the Jug, Caretaker, Ardra for distraction, 12 Spartans. That's it. Let's go kill Survivor 100. 2 tokens. And welcome to the lag. We get to sit around while Kixeye can't figure out which end is up. There we go. Come on. All right. It's first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a Mav. Yeah, welcome to the lag. We can just sit and wait while the base lag. There we go. All right. We're going to send a missile in because if we don't, we're going to have Bonesaws attacking us. Okay, get rid of that. Now, we're going to just send in the Dark Storm and the Phalanx. And we're going to clean out the front. All we're looking to do is to clear out the front, get the least amount of damage. We'll end up with about a minute's worth of damage. Okay, retreat them. Hopefully we'll have enough time at the end to show you, but there's very little damage done to them. So send them home. Now let's go in and clear the base. Oh yeah, we got a nice lag. We get to sit and do nothing while Kixeye decides which way to go. All right, there we go. We're going to send in the Ardra and the 12 Spartans. They're just going to distract all the Liberators. And while they distract them, we'll kill everything else on the base. Come on, get the lag over with so we can get going. All right, there we go. All right, let's send in Ardra. Send in a couple of Spartans to protect her. That way all the libs will attack the Ardra and they won't go after anything else. All right, that's good right there. Put them all on hold. Send in the Jug and the Caretaker. We've got to take care of this Bonesaw, but not yet. Right now we just got to make a little bit of a hole here. There we go. Now when that tank starts moving, we're good. Hammer, you're dead. Okay. That'll clear out that side. Now we'll come down and clear out a little bit more. Got to be careful though. You don't want to get too close to that Bonesaw. If you get too close to that Bonesaw, you got to start over. Because that Bonesaw will attack you and it'll kill you, Jug. All right, got rid of them. Let's get rid of a... whatever it's called. Now we're just in the process. While those guys are killing things, we're just going to kill whatever shows up. While they're doing that, will that get him? Yes, okay. Now we got to get rid of all right. We got to get rid of that Bonesaw. That Bonesaw is a pain in the neck. So I'm just sending in Furies. Furies just got rid of the Bonesaw. We don't have to worry about the Bonesaw on the other side. All right, we're sending the Jug back in. And let's try to clear this base out. Looks like the jug went outside of the, oh yeah, caretaker left before the jug left. Got a little bit of damage to the jug. Doesn't usually happen, but when you're a rookie, things happen. All right, now we just basically going to use the caretaker and the jug to clear out as much as we can. And get the least amount of damage we can get. Oh, we got another tank coming. Will that get it? Time will tell. Now we're just in the process of clearing out whatever we can clear out. Got to clear that stuff out. Get rid of the hammer producer. That'll bring some libs over. The libs will be a perfect thing. You shoot the lib and you'll take out this weapon. All right, got rid of him. Let's take out the flood. Next, we got to get rid of him. Won't get too close, but we'll clean him out. Then we're going to come back up here and clean out up here. All right, now we're going to go up here, see what kind of damage we can do. Just working our way around the base. All right, we can go, let's try this one. This should take out the major problems we got to face. Okay, one more. Kill as much as you can, take the least amount of damage you can. That'll do it. Now we need to take out the hammer. Yeah, here he comes. Once you get a little bit close, he'll come. Take him out. Oh, we didn't want to do that. All right, well, that's all right. That's all right. We'll be all right. We want to go down here. We want to take out the stuff over here. Again, the least amount of damage you can do. Now, if we can work this right, we can use these guys. Nope. All right, we'll catch the next set. Take him out while we're waiting. When the liberators come past here, we'll clean out this side over here. We'll use the liberators as a shooting gallery. Come on, here they come. Okay, when these guys come over here, we'll use them to clear out the rest. Turn around. You don't want to get too close because this guy will start shooting. All right, liberators, you're a good target. You don't want to get any closer. Boom. Okay, cleared that out. You take a little bit of damage, but usually it's only the caretaker. The bone saw is what screwed me up on my jug, but that's all right. Not the end of the world. That'll clean out that stuff. Now we got to just mop up. Oh, we ran out of time. All right, that's all right. We'll just go back in. There's no sense in being in a hurry. Just take your time. Clean it up slowly. Yes, welcome to the lag. Normally I'm going to bring in the Ardra and the Spartans, but I don't have to worry about them anymore because you only got the libs. The jug can take care of the libs. Just stay away from that bone saw over there. As long as you stay away from him, you're okay. Right now, the liberators are going to come directly for the jug, so we don't have to worry. We'll just drop a little shell on them and be done with them. And here they come. All right, let's take you guys out. One shot here, one shot here, one shot here, and we're done. Take out the hunter. That's it, we're done. Now, I'm not going to get tokens because I've got all the tokens I can get this week, but normally you would get 2 tokens. Let's see what I'm going to get. Normally I get tokens, but I've got all the tokens I can get this week. Tell you, 10,000 thorium. All right, that's how easy it is. Go, enjoy, do it, make it happen.